Welcome back to Keeping It Green with Colin. Today we're going to be removing a bottom valve from a 752 Golf rotor. So first off, like any removal, we're going to have to take that snap ring off first. And what do we do first? Decompress the top of that internal, and that snap ring will just pop right off. After we pop off that snap ring, we're going to want to get our snap ring pliers to remove that internal. So we'll remove that internal. Okay. Now you'll see at the bottom, there are two white snap rings. And there's two snap rings at the bottom for a very specific reason. Now, if you take out one of those snap rings and the other one jumps up at you, you know that for whatever reason, you still have a lateral line on somewhere. So those two snap rings are in there for safety reasons. So just remember, if that bottom ring jumps up at you after you take out one of them, you know that there's a lateral line on somewhere and you better go shut it off. So after you shut off that lateral line, what you're going to want to do with your snap ring pliers is I'll show you. You get them in to take out the top. You just get them in and you close them on that white snap ring. And you do the same for both sides. So again, we're on the opposite side. Pop out that snap ring. And then this same tool, the snap ring pliers, will remove your bottom valve as well. Okay, so you find it, get it in the grooves. Sometimes it takes a little bit, especially when you're in the field. Pops out just like that. When you're in the field, it might be a little bit more difficult, obviously, and that's when your siphon king might come in handy to get the water out of there before you work on that. But that is how you essentially remove a bottom valve from a Rainbird 752 Golf rotor. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for keeping it green with Colin. If you have any questions about this material or anything that we sell, please contact your local Vandenbush irrigation rep.